Hi, I'm Phil with Zomberlin, and this is the Zomberlin 320 Traillight Evo men's boot. Designed for classic trail hiking and lightweight backpacking, the Traillight Evo is a mid-height Italian handcrafted leather hiking boot with classic looks and modern performance. Vibram Pillow outsoles walk comfortably over long distances and provide triangular, spaced lugs for excellent all-around grip, even on wet trails and mud. Paired with lightweight EVA midsoles, the Traillight Evo offers great trail performance without wearing out your feet over extended outings. If you ever wear out the tread, the Traillight Evo can be resoled with original outsoles to extend the life of your well-fitting boots. The Traillight Evo uses single-piece, tumbled nubuck leather uppers, tanned with an artisanal method developed over 3 generations of Zomberlin family to be soft yet durable. Treated with Hydroblock for more water resistance, the single-piece leather uppers provide reliable performance over the life of the boot, with less stitching and fewer opportunities to snag on debris. Inside, the Gore-Tex membrane provides maximum breathability. The Traillight Evo is designed for a backpacking performance fit, with a visible curvature around the back of the heel that wraps comfortably over the top of the foot, and a roomy enough toe box to wiggle the toes. A 5-inch boot, the Traillight Evo weighs 540 grams for a half pair in size 42. No matter what trails you head out on, the 320 Traillight Evo will reliably take you there with the Italian construction, performance, and handmade philosophy that Zomberlin has maintained over 3 generations of family-owned Italian bootmaking.